Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. In this video, we'll show you how to use basic blocks to organize your ideas effectively and ensure your content always appears polished and professional. Let's get started. Basic blocks in Gamma are flexible components that help you organize and structure ideas, turning raw thoughts into clear, flowing content. They're simple, versatile, and designed to work together. Here's what you can use. Text, for writing paragraphs, notes, or explanations. It's your go-to block for most content. Tables, perfect for organizing information in rows and columns, like schedules, pricing, or feature comparisons. Lists, create bullet points or numbered steps, ideal for breakdowns, processes, or key points. Call-out boxes, great for highlighting tips, warnings, or important messages with color and icon options. Interactive blocks, include toggles, buttons, or expandable content to add interactivity and make your cards more dynamic. There are 2 easy ways to add basic blocks to your content. Navigate to the Insert menu and click on the Basic Blocks section. Choose the block you want and drag it directly into your card. Alternatively, type /on a blank line, and Gamma will display a list of blocks you can insert. Simply type what you need and press Enter. Once a block is in your card, you can customize it easily. Hover over the block and you'll see a toolbar appear. You can change the size, text color, highlight the font, change text alignment, and more, depending on the block type. If you need to switch things up, click the 3 dots menu and choose Convert to. For example, you can turn a paragraph into a toggle or a toggle into a block quote. This flexibility helps you restructure your content without starting over. Gamma makes it easy to reorganize your content by allowing you to drag and drop blocks into new positions without disrupting the format or content, unlike other platforms. Pro tip: basic blocks are even more powerful when combined with other Gamma tools. Combine them with images, charts, or interactive elements to build engaging, dynamic cards that really stand out. Break out of the ordinary and organize your content in a flash. And that's it. With basic blocks in Gamma, you can shape your ideas with flexibility and clarity, block by block. Start creating at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tips and tutorials.